Hello beautiful people, it's your Mama S. So today it's a Sunday at rarampa kami ni Nunong bonggang-bongga. So manonood kami ng movie. Charot. So yun, at kakain din kami sa labas. So yun, libre niya. O, di ba? Kasi nakita niya na hindi ako masaya. Charot. Kaya ililibre daw niya ako. Anyway, so manonood kami ng Captain America. Captain America niya tayo papanoorin namin. So yun, so hinihintay ko siya. Ayan na siya. Ayan na siya, guys. Yun. So, where's the car? Diba? Lawn. So yun, pinamadali niya ako, yun naman pala, wala pa naman pala. So yun, so ang tahimik lang dito, no? Kaya gusto ko dito kasi tahimik lang, wala masyadong eksena. I think ito na yung car na pipick up sa amin. Ano nila ba?
No, wala. Blue.
Ano yung blue?
MG.
Ano yung MG?
Blue. Ano po, what's up no?
Okay. So yun. Ayan si Mani nang Tony. Nang Tony. Lubok lawlaw and then lubok. Okay. So yun naman pala. Ako naman pala magbabayad ng akala ko siya. Joke. Anyway, so nandito lang yung sasakyan. Ayun siya. Ayun. Kita niyo. So nandito na nga kami ngayon sa Central Bank na. Ayan na, nakarating na kami guys. So ma-order si Nu. Kaya lang ang problema, walang rice. So sticky rice na naman yung kakainin. Ayoko nga masyado kumain ng sticky rice kasi sticky rice ang taas nun sa sugar. Kaya hindi ko siya bet. Pero sige lang, no choice naman. Diba? Ay nako, kakaloka. Sticky rice na kasi nung umaga, tapos sticky rice pa ngayon. Yun lang ako. So yun, so ito yung mga food dyan, no. Ayan. O diba? Ang sarap. May chicken and may salad. Ayan, saka yung gusto ko dyan yung ayun, yung pan tom yum and sumtam at saka yung barbecue nila. So yun, nakakaloka. Hintayin natin yung food. More than naloka naman ako doon. Nagtanong ako ng rice doon kung magkano. Sabi nila 49 baht. So parang grabe. Ang binayaran ni No is almost 500. 442. Ako naman yung nag-share sa movie. Okay. Ang set ng food ay I don't know. Pasapay. So, okay. Enjoy lunch. Yung may?
Hindi na.
Then, evening kinalay. Better Sizzler, Mai.
ดูเพย์เหรอ
Ano yung Sizzler better, oh?
อันนี้ไอเพย์
La.
เส้นเซน600เครื่องเซนเพย์
Oak Loyal, you pay 442.
บ้ายอีกฟิลเลอร์ประมาณ700
Sabay may kin Sizzler.
ไอบอกอยู่แล้วดูชอบเป็นนี้
Because you want soup, ใช่ไหม
บัตฟิลเลอร์ลองถามซุ
อ๋
ป
อ
หมายถึงซุปมัสลูมซุปไม่ใช่อันนี้
เหรอ
อีกฟิลเลอร์พิคอร์ในวันกิน
Yo, alay, tom yum to nun, ah. Tom
ห
sepa.
มู
Okay. Okay, okay, okay.
โอเคสิไอเพย์
Oh, you pay. Ayun. So, hintayin natin yung food. Namkenya na. So, yan guys. So, ang food namin today is meron kami ayan. What is this?
หกบาท
Ha?
6 บาท
Pork pie. It's a pork, ใช่ไหม Okay. And then we have sum tam and อันนี้ลับเสร็จถ้าไม่มี your order. At meron pang dalawa. Sa and sticker rice. Walang rice. So, yun. So, hintayin natin yung ibang food. Happy eating. At tagal ng food namin dumating. Matutulog pa. Charot. So, yun guys. Gutom na talaga sino hindi na maamo. Oh, diba? Gutom na siya. Hinihintay pa namin yung order namin eh. Sobrang tagal.
ดูดูอ่ะ
Food.
ไม่กิน
Ka may
เลย
long time.
ไอบอกแล้วลองทานไม่บอกเร็ว
Barbecue and
ๆมีชิคเก้นบาร์บีคิวแล้วก็ลาบเป็ด
lapel. May lapa.
อ่ะ
Okay. So, in 3 hours later, charot. Darating na siya. So, yon. So, eat tayo, guys. So, yun na. Dumating yung chicken. Ayan. Ang bongga. Diba? So, lap na lang. Siya may? Lap.
เหนือวัดนะ
Anid daka. Yes. Wow, ang chicken. Ang sarap. Ang dami. Guys, 400 lang to lahat ha. May ano na, may pork. Siyempre nakain na namin siya. Tapos may chicken, tapos may soup, pork soup, ayan. Tapos meron pang sumtam. Oh my gosh. It's a perfect talaga. Oy. Yes. It's a perfect lunch ever. Charot. Hindi naman ever. Parang gusto ko lang kumain dito pag Sunday kasi ayun nga. Grabe yung food. Yung chicken nila parang chicken in a salad. Dito nga natin ito. Para makita nyo ako ng bongga ko. Ayan. So, yung ano nila, yung chicken nila, parang ang crispy. Ayan. Para siyang chicken in a salad sa atin. So, sobrang sarap. Ang yummy. Yan yung soup. Grabe. Ang winner. Guys, kain tayo. May isa pa kami inahintay na order, yung lap. Kain tayo, guys. Ayan na guys, dumating na yung lap. Kaya alam, busog na si Lou. No. Late. But it's okay. So, parang dessert na namin siya. Charot. Ito guys yung tinatawag na lapet, sa may?
Dak.
Oo, yan.
Yun ang tip.
Favorite yan ni Nung. So, sarap siya dyan. Kaya lang, late na. Sino tinitipid niya yung rice niya? Yung sticky rice niya. Anyway, happy eating! So yun, so sana nag-enjoy kayo dito sa aming lunch ni Nung. So, have a nice day guys!